My name is Simmons, and I'm a fourth-year behavioral neuroscience major. Some fun facts about me. I'm a first-gen student in the CARE Illuminate program. My favorite place on campus is the Organic Seminole Garden, and I have 3 pet rats, Trico, Cheerio, and Sunny. So my initial first reason for wanting to come to FSU was the neuroscience major. So since I study kind of a niche field of animal behavior, which overlaps like behavioral ecology and field-based work with neuroethology, or like the study of how the brain is affecting behavior, I really wanted a major that could let me kind of tackle all those things at once. And the program here for neuroscience at FSU lets me take both like basic classes in neuroscience while also being able to take courses like ornithology and animal behavior. But then also when I actually came to visit the campus, it was so beautiful and the community just felt so welcoming, and it really was one of those places that kind of felt like home as soon as I was here. My first semester, I was able to do a UROP project, which is the Undergrad Research Opportunities Program, and I started out in the Duval lab, which I've been in ever since. We study these really fascinating birds called lance-tailed manakins that do these really interesting dual male cooperative courtship displays. And so I've done a couple different projects, but my biggest is trying to use machine learning to see if it can analyze and quantify these displays for us, which is something totally new in the lab that I've been the one to spearhead, which has been really rewarding. And I also have done an honors in the major project, which is looking at facetocin. So it's basically the amphibian version of like human oxytocin. So it's like related to social and reproductive behavior. And I'm looking at how that varies in the brain of reproductive and non-reproductive frogs, female frogs, to see if it could be implicated in some of those reproductive state-dependent behaviors. On top of the work I've done at FSU, I've also been awarded 2 different NSF REU awards, which is the National Science Foundation Research Experience for Undergraduates, and those have funded me to both do work in Colorado studying ground squirrels and how the temperature changes are affecting their behavior. I've also received the Goldwater Award, which recognizes student research achievements at a national level and will help provide me funding for my last year at FSU. After I graduate, I plan to go pursue a PhD in animal behavior and kind of go the academia route with the dreams of one day owning my own research lab.